So as you can see, the village house is under construction, getting prepared for a long winter, and our family and friends are here helping us put the house together. So my beautiful wife and I decided to go get some bingor. So we just bought several items from the local convenience store here in the village, and not only are they going to deliver the items to our home, but they're also going to deliver us home. So we have all of our items right here. Now we're in the cart, and this wonderful lady here is going to drive us home, which is right up the street there. This is what I call good customer service.
Chirping girl.